Good afternoon, everybody. Hello. We're coming to you Facebook Live, and we're here to talk about some things today. Good afternoon. This is Attorney Michael Moore with the Moore Law Firm, and we are broadcasting this Facebook Live from our office here in McAllen. We do have offices throughout Texas, but I'm in the McAllen office today, and boy, we are having tons of wind, and I think that wind is pretty prevalent around the state. I think they're about to have some serious storms out north of Austin, San Antonio, Austin. But the high winds is very interesting because, of course, everybody knows or ought to know or whatever that the Moore Law Firm, we handle insurance claims. And those insurance claims deal with property damage to your house. And we thought we'd reach out to our community here so everybody be aware with all this high wind that the potential of having damage to your roof. You don't really think about that. Most people think that you have a storm, you have hail, and you have the hurricane, and that's the kind of things that you can that can damage a roof. But we do have a demonstrative video here that shows the effect of wind on a house. Now, the Service Bureau has said, or the Weather Bureau indicated that we had sustained winds of 40 to 55 miles per hour and like gusts of 65 miles per hour. I mean, at 70 miles per hour, you're at a Category 1 storm. But this has been going all day long. I just went out earlier to go pick up something, and boy, I was throwing around with that wind. So we decided to come up with some information for our friends out there about what can this wind do to your roof. And so Joseph, why don't you go ahead and play that? And so what this demonstrating is that at 25-30 miles per hour, the wind is going over the slope, but it's not catching that edge of the shingle. As that wind increases, is that the edge of your shingle begins to get picked up by the wind. And then later on in the video, I believe it's at 45 or 50 miles per hour, which is the kind of wind we're having today, that shingle is getting lifted up. And what's happening is it's breaking the seal on that shingle, and once that seal has been broken or compromised, it's going to be a lot easier for that shingle to lift up today and tomorrow and the next day. And quite frankly, I don't know what it was, about a month and a half or so ago, we had another windstorm just like that here. And so it could even be worse. And what happens is once that wind compromises that shingle, the next time we have a storm with some wind, well, your shingle's been compromised, and so it's going to be lifting up, and that water is going to run in through the bottom of your shingle, and that's how you get leaks. And that's the kind of stuff that people don't realize. They think, oh, my roof's old, or or old, or whatever. People don't realize that you've got insurance for your car. So if somebody comes and hits your car, if they don't have insurance, you have your own insurance, for example. You file a claim to get your fender fixed. Same thing here. We're basically having a car accident right now. It's a storm. This is a windstorm, and it's a pretty significant windstorm out there because it's been going on all day long, and those shingles are lifting up all day long. And so what I'm suggesting is to go outside and look up on your roof and see anything lifted up there, or if you see any shingles on the ground, you very much likely have a right for a claim. Just the same way if somebody were to hit you, and if you have full coverage, you have a right to file a claim to get your car fixed. Same thing, exact same thing. And so it's going to be very important to make sure you identify that your roof's been compromised and file a claim. Now you may say, well, I don't know much about roofs. What do I do if I don't know a roof or a roofer or whatever? Give us a call. Because what we'll do is we have somebody that can go by over there and take a look at your roof. It's a free look in terms of just making sure whether or not you have a claim or not. If you got a claim, then we'll assist you in filing your claim with the carrier. And if the carrier does what they're supposed to do, then no harm, no foul. It's just a free service we provide to our clients here, because most of the time the insurance companies don't treat the insured, the homeowner, fairly. So go outside, go take a look at your shingles. If you see anything lifted up there, see any on the ground, or you just want to get a free consult, just give us a call, and we can help you take a look at your roof and determine whether or not you have a potential claim. Or what else you could do is to go around the inside of your house and see if you have any water marks on the inside of your house on the ceilings. If you have those, you definitely have a compromised shingle or shingles in your roof. So there's a couple ways. Look for shingles on the ground on the outside. Look for wet spots on the inside. Or later on, when we end up, of course, spring is here. I think what Sunday was the first day of spring. It's that time for those thunderstorms. The next time we get a storm, look around and see if you see any water marks on the inside. If you do, I bet you have a right for a claim. And that's what we do here at the Moore Law Firm. We can give you a free second opinion. Make sure you're being treated fairly. And we do have a free TARP program. In terms, if you have a lot of leaks, you determine you have a lot of leaks, we can help you with the TARP on your roof. And we provide free inspections on your roof. And so, like the example I gave earlier, if you call your claim in and it turns out the carrier takes care of you, we don't charge you a fee. It's a free service we provide to the community here, and that's what we do here at the Moore Law Firm. Hope you guys are staying safe out there, we have a moment. If you have any questions, give us a call. Our number here is 956-4MILLION. That's 956-400-0000. Again, my name is Michael Moore. The Moore Law Firm, we handle insurance property claims as well as personal injury claims. We are one of the largest personal injury law firms here in South Texas, and I've been practicing law and practicing and suing insurance companies for personal injuries for over 30 years. We have a tremendous amount of experience and a tremendous amount of success in taking care of our clients and making sure they're being treated fairly. And if they're not, we'll take these insurance carriers down to the courthouse, and we'll get even with them there. Again, my name is Michael Moore at the Moore Law Firm. Coming to you from our office here in McAllen. Our number here is area code 956-4MILLION. That's 956-400-0000. Have any questions about your roof? Give us a call. We're the experts on this. You have any questions? If you have a friend or family member involved in a car accident, again, we're experts at this. Give us a call. We can help you. We have very high ratings on Google, and we strive to do a very good job for you as our client and for customer service, and do a good job at the courthouse because results matter. Again, my name is Michael Moore. I hope you have a great afternoon. If you have any questions, just give us a call. Take care, and thank you so much.
Thank you for watching. For more legal tips and tricks, or to find out if you need a lawyer, check out these videos right here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook for updates, giveaways, and more free legal resources from Moore Law Firm.